In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on phone haptics on your iPhone. So you just easily turn on or turn off from here. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click onto apps and find here your phone apps. Just open this, scroll down, then you get this option. Okay, you just easily turn on or turn off, but some device has missing this option and provide solution. So first open your settings, click onto general software update. So this feature available iOS 26.1, so you must be update your iOS 26.1, then you get this option.